What's up, YouTube? Got this BMW misfiring. It's all torn apart, but I want to explain to you if you have a cylinder misfire. I'm going to explain to you every single code, the best way to fix this car. Well, number one, you're going to scan the car. So if you get a code P0301, cylinder 1, P0302, cylinder 2. Oh man, they smoke. 303, 304, 305, 306. So they're in order. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, watch this. Alright, I do have a misfire in this cylinder and this last one, okay? They're connected. Both of them are connected. But check this out. When I disconnect this one, watch the difference. See that? The engine wants to die off. But on this one, no difference. If I disconnect this little guy or connect it back, no difference. And there's no difference on this last one here. Look, I completely disconnected it. Got the harness out. So we got a coil pad and a coil pad. And all you need to do is remove all this cover over here. I do have a video and I changed this whole valve cover gasket here. Change the plugs and everything. This smoke here, because this already was a leak, that's what it's from. But other than that, we got two cylinders misfire. Cylinder number 4 and 6. So what we're gonna do is get 2 new ignition coils and drop them in there, and the car should be beautiful. Anyways, waiting on the new pieces. Okay, so we got 2 ignition coils, and what we're gonna do is, there's a part number here. If you want to get this Bosch, this is the brand I'm using, Bosch. It's very simple. Let's take out this one right here. So you simply just lift up. Let me show you on this one. You just lift this up and this thing just pushes the connector for you out. To put it in, you have to push the connector in and then it clips in. So what we're gonna do is, for this one, you have to pull out the coil, otherwise your connector is not gonna come all the way. So pull out the coil a little bit. Okay, it's already damaged. The coil is no good anyway, so if the connector breaks, it's okay. Not the connector on the wire side, I'm talking about this little, the hook on the top, because that's what I'm pulling on right now. Oh my god, that thing is pretty much stuck in there. All these crazy trucks passing by today. Ah, come on. Alright, have no luck with this guy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the back one so the connector comes off, as we did already. Be careful with this vacuum line. And just yank this guy out as hard as you can. And it's gonna pop out just like that. And there's our coil. So that's what we're looking at right there. We're gonna take this guy. I don't know why this guy came out with it. So let's push that back in. And you're gonna take this new coil, stick it to the spot where it belongs, and click that in. So we're gonna do the same thing for this one. So make sure before you push the coil in, you push in the connector. Otherwise, once you push the coil all the way in, the connector won't go in because there's no clearance over here. So let me get this guy going and then we'll crank up the car. Okay, got the second coil out, and this is the new coil that's going in. So what you're gonna do is make sure you put your connector in before you stick it down, and make sure it clicks just like that, and make sure it goes all the way in. There you go, sticks right in. So replace them both. Here's our old coil and an old coil, and what we're gonna do is go inside the car, crank it up. Let's crank this baby up. Oh, key. Woo, feels smooth. No misfire, guys, at all. No misfire. It's running like new. The baby is like new. So to take off this cover, I do have a video on how to replace this whole valve cover, and the procedure is to take off this cover in that video, and to put it back in is universal procedure. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you in the next